Growing up in Myrtle Beach, born and raised here, I always wanted to practice law. It was something I've wanted to do from a young age. My grandfather was an attorney in a small town, and my uncle was an attorney who later became a judge. So it was just something I think that was in my blood. There's not many natives of Myrtle Beach, so I kind of consider myself one of the lucky ones. My associate, Chris, and I are both born and raised here.
Well, my mother and grandfather were both judges and trial lawyers, so I kind of grew up in a courthouse. I knew from a very early age being a lawyer is what I wanted to do. I have distinct memories going home from school, but instead of going home, I would go to the courthouse and watch my mom hold court. Kind of knew that this is always what I wanted to do.
When I first began practicing law, I actually worked for the insurance companies. I represented them. I got to see firsthand the tactics they would use. I strive to use those same things I've learned in my practice of law now when I represent injured clients. When a client calls our office, often they're going through one of the hardest times they've ever gone through in their life. They're seriously hurt. They've even lost a loved one sometimes in a terrible accident or something like that.
My first concern is always, and I always ask this, first of all, are you okay? Are you still hurt? What can we do to help you? The first concern is always helping the client.
As soon as I saw the car, it was like I couldn't get to the hospital fast enough. I just wanted to make sure that he was going to be okay. Robert came to our house, actually, and sat down with us, and what he said to us is, you know, Ron, just worry about your medical care. I'll take care of everything else. And that's exactly what happened.
And I wasn't interested in getting rich over this thing or anything. I just wanted to be made whole.
We won our case, and we were very happy. The outcome was exactly what we wanted it to be.
Justice is when somebody gets what they actually do deserve.
Sansbury Law Firm, the team here, we work every case like it's going to trial. There are a lot of law firms in this area that will treat a case that it needs to settle as quickly as possible, but we feel like it's in the client's best interest to work a case like we're going to take it to a jury.
You know, being born and raised in the Myrtle Beach area, growing up here, practicing law here, we're actually here and we're local. We're ready to help. When someone calls us, if they're in the area, so are we. When they come to us, we do whatever we can to make them feel like they're part of our family.